Next one we have is Netflix. Netflix, the moment of this positive momentum is already over. It may go for consolidation, but still it is holding that, the big move on that news day. So we have like a lot of volume there. It's still holding that. It's not even trying to fill the gap. It hold it, on Friday. It is still SMA 9, right? There is a fair chance it can come up to EMA 21. If it fills the gap, that's an excellent opportunity for us. If it doesn't fill the gap, but still, we can keep our shares as it is, because it's above SMA 50. I'm expecting it will reach SMA 200 and change that trend completely. So I'll keep all shares. I'm not changing anything in the Netflix. The options wise, I'm not sure. I have to wait, for the real-time data on Monday or Tuesday. Let's go to the NVDA. NVIDIA is with a huge squeeze here. It's been consolidating almost 4 to 5 months now. Both calls and puts are not paying anything, and it's touching it SMA 200 tomorrow. 178, I think it may touch again. It touched once. First time it bounced very good. Second time it touched, bounced a little bit. For 10, if it touch and it doesn't hold, then I would expect a downturn in this. But for any longs, I would keep 170 as the stop loss, or maybe another $0.50 here. 169.55 is my stop loss. But if it goes to that level, I will try calls instead of puts, because there is a fair chance it can bounce. And weekly also, it is getting huge squeeze. If we have this type of squeeze for 1 year, you can expect the bigger moves. Downside, the max I can see right now is 153, and upside I see is the 212 followed by the even bigger moves. As this event, NVIDIA is the key. I'm expecting bullish momentum for NVIDIA, but we'll see the Monday and act accordingly. Any reason NVIDIA is running, it's easy trade for the call. If it is running up. Let's go to Tesla. Tesla, SMA 200 is also losing now slowly. This is SMA 200 is, how much it is? 393. Now at 391. It dropped actually a couple of days ago. Again, same day it bought into the SMA 200. But you see the difference between these three candles, right? So the first candle, the same day, whenever it dropped, immediately they brought it back. Second time they brought it back. Third time they didn't bring it back. Okay, let's see. 383 it can hold. Anything, if it loses the 383, then the Tesla has downtrend for some days. But right now, that's the level I'm watching. 383 up. You can consider 382.78 to be precise, or even you can put another 28 cents. Buffer 382.5 is the stop loss. If anybody have longs, I personally don't trade right now the Tesla. XOM. Yeah, I has been, rocking. We missed one of the biggest move in the XOM here. But you see, this one, this type of rejection happen, then it has to come down all the way down. Okay. But for this stock, it's not going that. It's coming back again. There is accumulation again, and it's going up. You see this, right? There is no gap ups or nothing. Every day decent move. It is connecting every point. Typically, if a stock goes like that, the momentum, you see here weeklies, right? Everything is connected. Then you will get a big move like this one day before it chop. So I'm expecting something big move this week in the XOM. And if it break this 159.6, that's where I'm going to hold this as the stop loss. Right now, what I'm wishing for is let's go above 160 and keep the 160 as the stop loss. I thought of adding the June calls, with the 185 or 180 here, because it may touch this line. You see this line is coming, right? It will touch somewhere around 180 or 175. But those are not moving as expected. So that's the reason why I moved my calls to the April now. So I'm going to watch it, how it is going to play. There is some risk of head and shoulders, but the base is not that good. You see, this is the base, 145, but it didn't touch the base. So I'm not expecting this will fall, it will follow the head and shoulders. But even if it follows the head and shoulders pattern, I don't care much because, you don't have too much, downside. Yesterday's low, 152 is my stop loss, maybe at 20% to 25% max we lose on the puts for the calls. So my expectation for tomorrow is it will go up, okay? So it will break it. If it breaks with volume, that's what I'm looking for. Let's see, tomorrow, in case if tech gets rally and oil is hammered, that's entirely different situation. But during this weekend, so far, I haven't heard any news about the war. It is going to stop soon. What I know is it's even accelerating, Everybody is looking for the bottom out the market this week, but let's see how this play. Next one is Walmart. It was strong. I think Walmart, it may go for one more leg. This looks really good for me. You see this breakout, right? So it broke this recent consolidation, which is from February 13 on daily chart. So yeah, it looks good. We can go for it for calls. Anything 125 is our stop loss. The previous candle higher, or current handle low. So this is one of the good potential. Typically, Walmart have less volatility, so options would be cheap. My target will be 134 or 135. So that's it for the Walmart. Yeah, the last one we have in our list to watch is USO. The USO is, it's a very good candle. It's a bullish candle we got on Friday, but still the technicals are catching up. Unless there is a huge news like, there is zero transportation for the oil in the whole world, and everybody expects the war is not going to stop anyway before, then we may get the move. But right now, when technicals are extended like this, because you see this is EMA 200, EMA 21 is at 94, the rate is at 124. Typically, it may go for consolidation, not the breakout, not any moves. This is a huge breakout, but we missed that day where it a gap up. But chasing now definitely will not get any money. That's why I'm not focusing on this. Instead of that, I like the XOM better than the USO. So with this, we are done with all stocks what we have in our list. Today, I would like to skip the portfolio. If you have any specific stocks, we will go through them.